Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see how to link back to one of your Obsidian nodes in your vault using iCloud. So this is particularly useful if you want to share the link to your specific nodes in other applications, because not all applications read or you are able to use the Obsidian URL scheme, or if you want to share a node with somebody else that you trust and that also has access to the vault. Here's how you do it. Let's say that you have a node that you want to share. You can open the palette and then reveal in Finder, because this way we're going to see where our node is physically located in our computer, because just a reminder, as a reminder, Obsidian works locally, so all your files are locally stored on your computer. So this way, once you've located the file, you can share. In this case it's condividi because my computer is in Italian, and then you would create a collaboration link, and you can also say whether you want people who have the link to be able to make changes to the file or only view it. In this case it's for myself, so it doesn't really matter. I can keep it with the changes enabled. You can then copy the link, and then you can add it to any application you like. I just open Todoist because it's my app of to-do app of choice, but you can use it in any other application. So this way, if we click to this link, we will reach exactly the node that we are looking for, and by right-clicking and opening with Obsidian, we will go back to the specific node. So this link will bring us to the Finder where the specific file is, and by right-clicking and opening with Obsidian, we can reach the node inside the Obsidian application. This is super useful to link back to your files, even if you don't have the Obsidian Publish feature enabled, so you're not a paying subscriber of Obsidian Publish. You can still link back to your nodes via iCloud like that. So this is all. I hope that it was useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you up next time.